Good morning, children. Today we start with our new lesson. So let's start our day with a good thought. Life is just like playing sports. Every day we get up new opportunities to rank up. Children, don't think every day will go wrong if one goes worst. Life will give you whole new opportunities with new sunshine. And every day you have to chance to beat your older version and rank up. So our today's lesson is lesson number 10, fraction. So children, what is mean by fraction? Fraction represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. Okay. Fraction represents equal parts of a whole or a collection. Fraction of a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Let's see the example. For example, if we take one watermelon and we divide that watermelon into two equal parts, then each part is half. Okay, and if we take that half part and again we cut into two equal parts, means we take two half parts of watermelon and we cut that two parts again into two equal parts, then we get four equal parts of watermelon. Okay, so four parts, half parts and one. So we divide that one watermelon into equal parts. So let's see the meaning of fractions, reading and writing fractions. So first we take half. Children say this is a circle. We divide this circle into two equal parts. One part is shaded green and one part is white. So this only green part is called as half and only white part is called as half. Okay, so we divide this circle into two equal parts, then each part is called as half. When any object is divided into two equal parts, then each part is one half of that object. Okay, मीन्स अगर हमने एक होल पार्ट को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए तो हम एक पार्ट को क्या कहेंगे, हाफ पार्ट. One half of whole is shown by a fraction 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 मीन्स ऊपर 1 लिखोगे, नीचे लाइन दोगे और लाइन के नीचे 2 मीन्स लाइन के ऊपर 1 रहेगा और लाइन के नीचे 2 रहेगा. दैट इज हाफ. Half is 1 upon 2 is read as 1 half or 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Okay, let's see the next, quarter. Children see, again this is circle. We divide this circle into four equal parts. First see, we divide this circle into half and again we divide that half into half. So we divide this circle into four equal parts. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Okay, so only one part is shaded. So this one part is called as quarter. Means circle को अगर हमने चार पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, then each part is called as quarter. Okay, देखो ये हमने साइड में निकाला है, only this portion. This is called as quarter. When any object is divided into four equal parts, then each of those parts is क्वार्टर ऑफ दैट होल. यानी एक सर्कल को अगर चार पार्ट में डिवाइड किया तो चार पार्ट में से हर एक पार्ट रहेगा क्वार्टर. वन क्वार्टर इज शोन बाय द फ्रैक्शन 1 upon 4. सी हियर four parts are there, only one is shaded, so 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 is read as 1/4, FOURTH. Okay, 1/4 or 1 quarter or 1 upon 4. Either you can say 1/4 or 1 quarter or 1 upon 4. Then next 3 quarters. We see 1 quarter. अगर एक सर्कल को हमने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है तो एक पार्ट बनेगा क्वार्टर. ओके, नाउ 3 क्वार्टर मीन्स एक पार्ट जैसे 3 पार्ट्स, दैट इज 3 क्वार्टर. यानी हमने 1 क्वार्टर में ओनली 1 पार्ट शेड किया था एंड 3 क्वार्टर्स में वी शेड 3 parts. So see here circle is given. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So this is 3 quarter, means this shaded part is 3 quarter. This shaded part is 3 quarter. Now see this second figure. Here circle is divided into 4 equal parts. 1 quarter part अगर हमने remove किया तो हमें 3 quarter मिलेगा. If we remove this quarter part then we get 3 quarter. Okay, यानी 4 में से 3, that is 3 quarter. When an object is divided into 4 equal parts, 3 of its parts are taken together are called as 3 quarters. See, when we divide circle into 4 equal parts and we combine 3 parts, we get the 3 quarter. 3 quarter is shown by fraction 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is read as 3/4 यानी 4 में से 3, that is 3/4 और 3 quarter और 3 upon 4. Clear? See, children, you have to remember these terms: quarter plus quarter, half. Quarter plus quarter plus quarter, 3 quarter. 1 half plus 1 quarter, we get 3 quarter. See, this is whole fraction. We divide this whole fraction into 4 equal parts. If we divide this into 4 equal parts, then each part, this is only one part is shaded, then this is 1 quarter, means 1 upon 4. Out of 4, 1 part is shaded. If we divide this whole into 2 equal parts, 2 parts are shaded, then 1 upon 2, that is half. 1 upon 2 means half. And again whole we divide into 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So out of 4, 3 are shaded. So 3 upon 4, that is 3 quarter. So children, see, quarter plus quarter, half. See, half, this, if we take only one portion, 1 quarter portion and another quarter portion, then this quarter plus quarter became half. Quarter plus quarter equals to 3 quarter. See, this is 1 quarter, this is 2 quarter, this is 3 quarter. If we combine 3 quarter, we get 3 quarter. 1 half plus 1 quarter. See, consider only above portion of this circle, this is 1 half, and below portion, this is 1 quarter. Okay, above shaded portion and below shaded portion, we get 3 quarter. Now children, see, in a fraction, the number written above the line is numerator and number written below the line is denominator. See, this is the example of pizza. Okay, how many total parts are there? 4 parts of pizza. Only one part is eaten. Okay, so only 3 parts are remaining. So out of 4, 3 are remaining. So numerator number on the top and denominator number on the bottom. मीन्स ये लाइन के ऊपर जो हम नंबर लिखते हैं दैट इज़ न्यूमरेटर और लाइन के नीचे जो नंबर लिखते हैं दैट इज़ डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर में हम होल पोर्शन लिखते हैं यानी होल पार्ट्स लिखते हैं और न्यूमरेटर में हम शेडेड पोर्शन लिखते हैं. Okay, we write down the whole part in the denominator and we write down the shaded part in the numerator. So the number written above the line is numerator and the number written below the line is denominator. Okay, children, you have to write down this in your new maths copy. Okay, from lesson number 10, write down this written work in new maths copy and submit your old maths copy for checking. Thank you.